Have you ever watched a piece of engineering arrive and instantly make every single competitor in its class look like an overpriced relic from the past? For years, the hybrid camera market has forced creators into an exhausting game of compromise. You want blistering photography speeds, but you are forced to sacrifice cinematic video capability. You want high-resolution sensors, but you are punished with rolling shutter artifacts and sluggish autofocus in low light. Brands love to keep features locked away behind astronomical price tags, doling out minor updates year after year, just to keep you trapped in an endless upgrade cycle. We accepted the limitations because we assumed that a truly universal, no-compromise hybrid machine was simply an impossibility. That we were wrong. Welcome to the definitive breakdown of the Canon EOS R6 Mark III, that if you thought Canon was going to rest on its laurels after the massive success of their previous generations, prepare to have your expectations completely obliterated. The R6 lineage has always been the undisputed workhorse for wedding shooters, wildlife chasers, documentary filmmakers, and independent content creators. But this time around, Canon didn't just tweak a few menu settings or bump up the frame rate by a fraction. They took the absolute core architecture of their high-end cinema lineup, injected it with next-generation processing power, and engineered a hybrid monster designed to utterly dominate the market. Let us be completely honest about where the industry has been frustrating creators. You buy a camera advertised as a hybrid, only to find out it overheats 10 minutes into a high-resolution shoot, or it forces you to crop heavily when you switch to 4K. You deal with memory card bottlenecks that stall your bursts right when the critical moment happens. Manufacturers have nickel-and-dimed features, making you choose between absolute photographic precision and high-end cinematic execution. Canon looked at that exact wall and drove a sledgehammer straight through it. Let us start with the sensor, because the moment you look at the image output, everything changes. Equipped with a newly developed, highly optimized full-frame sensor that borrows direct lineage from Canon's acclaimed cinema technology, the R6 Mark III delivers a staggering balance of resolution and low-light sorcery. We are talking about clean, pristine files packed with dynamic range that pulls hidden details out of deep shadows and fierce highlights with effortless grace. And then there is the speed. When you switch the camera into electronic shutter mode, it rips at a mind-boggling 40 frames per second. 40 frames per second with full autofocus and auto-exposure tracking locked onto your subject like a heat-seeking missile. But Canon didn't stop there. They integrated advanced pre-continuous shooting capabilities. That means the camera is buffering frames the second you press the shutter halfway down. If a bird takes flight, a skateboarder lands a trick, or a bride laughs unexpectedly, you capture it. Even if your human reflexes were a fraction of a second too late, you literally capture moments before you even realize they happened. The autofocus system is powered by deep learning algorithms that track eyes, faces, animals, and vehicles with terrifying tenacity. It doesn't matter if your subject is sprinting across a dimly lit field, darting behind tree branches, or obscured by chaotic foreground elements. The box locks on and refuses to let go. It turns impossibly difficult shooting conditions into an effortless point-and-shoot experience. But where this machine truly separates itself from the competition is its cinematic pedigree, that if you are a filmmaker or a high-end content creator, pay close attention. The R6 Mark III shatters historical boundaries by introducing breathtaking video specs, including blistering high frame rate 4K recording and jaw-dropping open-gate capabilities. Open-gate recording utilizes the entire vertical surface of the sensor, giving you massive compositional flexibility, incredible post-production stabilization room, and the ultimate freedom to punch out horizontal 4K or vertical clips for social platforms from a single master file without losing an ounce of resolution. Combined with professional internal recording codecs, robust log profiles, and crystal-clear audio architecture, this body replaces dedicated cinema rigs that cost twice as much. And because Canon optimized the thermal dynamics and